Hey there, it's Mike Rhino with Rhino Machinery, and it is Texas hot. We're looking at water trucks today. Today we're looking at a Ford F750 2002 with a 2,000 gallon water tank and cat power. It's got a 7-speed transmission. The cab is clean. Take a look up in here. Take a look at the cab. As you can see here, it's a 2,000 gallon tank. We've dealt with all the valves and the seals. We've stopped all the leaks, and the truck is ready to go to work. As you can see over here, we've replaced valves that weren't working. We've got a reel, another valve we replaced. Tires are decent. This machine has a cat engine in it. We got cat diesel. There's really not a whole lot more to say about this truck. It's just ready to go to work. So